How is your body shop doing? Is it performing as well as it could? Are you able to control your costs and improve efficiency at the same time? Are you ready to deal with business and economic uncertainties? Are your work processes running as smoothly as they could? How about the customers? Are you able to offer them a superior service compared to your competitors? We can help take your business to the next level. Vision360 Advanced Business Solutions is a suite of professional services designed to improve the processes and performance of body shops that use the comprehensive BASF of automotive refinishing paint systems. Our industry-trained and OEM-certified Vision360 consultants will help your business gain focus in such areas as efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. We will conduct a thorough shop audit, evaluate your business's key-to-key time, and more based on your requirements to find opportunities where your business can improve, grow, and increase profitability. Improve communication efficiency, cost control, data management, and shop transparency with our digital packages. Choose the modules that are relevant to your own business objectives. Each Vision360 module provides tangible solutions and ideas that promote industry best practices to help you carve out your competitive edge. But don't take our word for it, let's have the numbers speak for us. In 2019, our Vision360 ABS customers saw their lead time go down by 13%, their shop audit score go up by 17%, and their average output go up by 12%. And in the all-important key-to-key time, our customers saw improvements averaging 21%. Why wait for your competitors to take charge? Take advantage of BASF Vision360 Advanced Business Solutions today and get increased efficiency and productivity, improved quality and customer satisfaction, and optimized cost and profitability. Contact us today to find out how you can unleash your business's potential and take it to the next level.